You know how sometimes a phrase or a tune gets stuck in your head? I've got this rhyme bouncing around in my head since the last lesson. Product of extremes equals the product of means. I think it's demanding that I apply it to some questions. Here goes nothing. We have two ratios in proportion, one of which is an unknown value. And as long as you're doing math, you will never be done chasing x until you figure out y, and that will be z end of it. Better stick to finding x, right? Well, let's begin. We already know that the proportion means that both ratios are equal. So, the first step is to replace the proportion symbol with an equal to sign. Then, write the rhyme you were just murmuring. And replace the values to get the product of the extremes, 60 and x, which will be equal to the product of the means, 90 and 20. Then, it's just a matter of isolating x and we get x equals 30 kilograms. Hence, our desired value is 30 kilograms, which keeps the ratios equal. Is one example ever enough? No. I guess at least one more is needed. Look at this here. It is said that 7 kilograms of sugar cost 560 rupees. Given that, we need to find the cost of 15 kilograms of sugar. Here's how we'll do it. Whenever we have to find an unknown quantity, we let it be any variable. What I prefer is x. You can try to argue and ask why, or just agree and say sí. That's Spanish for yes. Settling the matter of the unknown variable, we let the cost of 15 kilos of sugar be x rupees. To make things easier, I am making a data chart. We have cost x for 15 kilograms of sugar, while 7 kilograms of sugar cost 560 rupees. To write this in the form of a proportion, we lump the similar quantities together, weight with weight and the cost with the cost, while the double colon sign comes in the middle. Hence, these ratios look like this in proportion. Stick to that rhyme, it's pretty useful. Using that, the next step is to have the product of the extremes, 15 kilograms and 560 rupees, and equate that to the product of the means, 7 kilos and x rupees. Time to isolate x. Shift this 7 to the right side to get x. Do a bit of simplification and we have x equal to 1200. But what did x represent? Yes, the cost of 15 kilograms of sugar, that is 1200 rupees. Now, no one will be able to scam you in the market and overcharge you for anything. Not if you stick to your lessons. But do remember, being able to solve something is different from being good at it. I'll give you some more practice questions in the next lesson. Then you'll be a real pro at proportions.